Hello everyone, this is Sanuta. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I create content on productivity, personal growth, organization and lifestyle. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are interested in any of these. And I hope you all are doing great. Please stay indoors and stay safe. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a reading vlog. I really hope you will like it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the book I'm currently reading is The Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. I hope you all are already familiar with this book and you have heard about this book before. But if you haven't heard about this book or if you don't know anything about this book, Think Like a Monk is a book by Jay Shetty, who is an English author, former monk, and the host of #1 podcast On Purpose. And in his book Think Like a Monk, Jay Shetty has shared and included the timeless wisdom he learned as a monk so that anyone can train their mind for peace and purpose every day. And the book is basically divided into 3 parts, and I'm currently in the 3rd part and I'm in chapter 9, which is gratitude. And I have to say that this is a wonderful book and I highly recommend it. And now I will start reading this book because I'm in the last part and I have to try to complete as much as possible. So without any further talks, let's get started. And here, like I said, I am reading the gratitude chapter, and the author has very well explained how gratitude can be helpful and why is it important to practice gratitude. It has been shared that gratitude has benefits not just for the mind but also for the physical body, and it is so important to practice gratitude every day even if our life isn't perfect. And one quote which I found from this chapter which I absolutely loved is this quote by Helen Keller, where she says, "When one door of happiness closes, another opens. But often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us." And this is so true, isn't it? Because a lot of times we keep focusing on the things that we don't have or the things that we once had, other than being grateful for the things that we have now. So now I just completed reading that gratitude chapter and I still have 2 more chapters left, but the next one is a pretty big chapter, so I thought I would take a break. So now I'll just take a little break and reply to some of the YouTube comments of my latest video, which is a video related to time management. So if you haven't checked that out, do check that out. I'll put the link in the description. And so now I'll just reply to some comments and then start reading the next chapter. And like I just said, here I am replying to all your comments, and I just have to say that thank you so much for all your lovely comments. It means a lot to me and it just makes me so happy to see them all. And after that mini break, I sat down again to read for a while. And here I am reading the next chapter, that is the 10th chapter, which is about relationships. And in this chapter, Jay Shetty has included a lot of things about trust, family and love. everyone. So I just had my lunch and after that I watched some YouTube videos and now it's almost 4 o'clock and I came here to take some book notes. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I usually take notes from the books I read and I most preferably only read self-help books. So there's quite a lot of notes to take. I just write down everything that inspires me, anything that I learned from that book and all the inspirational quotes and insightful things from that book. So that is what I'll be doing right now. So I'll just start taking the notes of this book. I'm just taking my book notes here, and talking about taking book notes, I have recently started taking all of my book notes on Notion as I find having all these things in digital form is far better. And as this book is a pretty big one, at least for me, I have quite a lot of notes to take and that is what I'm doing right here. And after reading for a while again, I sat down to plan some content for YouTube, and that is what I'm doing right here. I'm just planning out new video ideas, when to film the next one, and when to upload videos and all of that. So that is all for today's video. I really hope you like this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and also share this video with your friends and family. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you.